अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तान के अवाम का तवील तरीन इंतजार खत्म हुआ। इस्लामी दुनिया की नामवर हस्ती मुबल्लिग इस्लाम डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक और शेख फारिक नाइक का पहला दौरा पाकिस्तान। इस तारीखी दौरे में अजीम मजहबी दाई 5 और 6 अक्टूबर कराची, 12 और 13 अक्टूबर लाहौर, 19 और 20 अक्टूबर इस्लामाबाद में दीन इस्लाम के मुख्तलिफ मौज़ूआत, बैनुल मज़ाहिब, हम आहंगी और मुस्लिम उम्मा को दरपेश चैलेंजेस और उनके हल के हवाले से खुसूसी लेक्चर्स देंगे और इसके साथ सवाल और जवाब के खुसूसी सेशंस भी होंगे। इल्म और हिकमत की रूह परवर महाफिल, फहमे दीन का नादिर मौका। डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक और शेख फारिक नाइक का पाकिस्तान टूर 2024।
Are you truly coming to Pakistan? When are you coming to Pakistan? Will your talks be in Urdu or English, and so on and so forth? I would like to inform the viewers that inshallah, I will inshallah be coming to Pakistan in the month of October, and I've been invited by the government of Pakistan for a series of lectures which I'll be giving in the 3 major cities, that is Karachi, Lahore and Pakistan. I'll be giving public talks in Karachi on Saturday the 5th October as well as Sunday the 6th October. I'll be giving 2 public talks in Lahore on Saturday the 12th of October and Sunday the 13th of October, as well as in Islamabad on Saturday the 19th of October and Sunday the 20th of October. I have received many requests and invitations from various different universities from Pakistan and different cities from Pakistan. Time will not permit me to accept all because the invitations are in hundreds and it's increasing every day. Inshallah, we'll select some of the important universities. One university that we've already selected is the NUST, that is National University of Science and Technology in Islamabad. So inshallah, during my stay in Islamabad, I'll be giving one lecture in the university. We have received various other invitations from different universities. I, Zakir Naik, was born on the 18th of October 1965 in the city of Bombay, today known as Mumbai, in the state of Maharashtra in India. Today, I am 56 years, 2 months and 28 days young. My parents, both my parents, they were highly educated. They were broad-minded and they were practicing Muslims. But even though they were practicing Muslims, they never forced any of us, any of my brothers and sisters, including me, to follow any of the faraiz in Islam. They never forced us.